Welcome to our roundup of the best cordless drills. Whether you're a professional builder, a home repair enthusiast, or just want a dependable tool for your DIY projects, a powerful and reliable drill is a must-have. We've selected 5 top-rated models that deliver excellent performance, battery life, and comfort, all built to make drilling and driving easier than ever. We'll highlight each drill's key strengths like motor power, torque, battery performance, and overall handling to help you pick the perfect one for your needs. Don't forget to check the description for the latest deals and prices. Let's get started. The first on the list is the Yofidra Cordless Drill. The Yofidra Cordless Drill packs serious power in a compact, easy-to-use design. It features a 42 Nm high-torque motor that makes drilling through wood, metal, and plastic feel effortless. With 25+1 torque settings, it gives you precise control for different materials and screw sizes. The 2-speed gearbox offers flexibility, low speed for delicate driving, and high speed for heavy drilling. Powering it are two 21-volt lithium-ion batteries that deliver steady output and fast charging, so downtime is minimal. Its lightweight frame and soft rubber grip reduce fatigue, while the built-in LED light brightens dim work areas for greater accuracy. Quick bit changes are easy thanks to the keyless chuck, making it efficient for fast-paced work. Overall, the Yofidra Cordless Drill offers excellent performance, comfort, and reliability for home and professional use. Next up is the Patchuo Pro Cordless Drill. The Patchuo Pro is all about smooth performance and easy control. Equipped with a 45 Nm motor, it's strong enough to handle dense materials and long screws. Its 25+3-position clutch provides accurate torque adjustment, and the 2-speed setting lets you switch seamlessly between drilling and driving. The 21-volt lithium-ion battery provides long-lasting runtime, and its quick charge feature gets you back to work fast. Ergonomically designed with a soft grip handle, it offers great balance for extended use. The compact body makes it perfect for working in small spaces. A built-in LED light improves visibility, while the magnetic bit holder keeps accessories handy. With its durable copper motor and precise control, the Patchuo Pro Cordless Drill strikes a great balance between power and usability. It's ideal for users who want dependable performance without unnecessary bulk. Next, we have the JISM Cordless Drill. The JISM Cordless Drill delivers impressive strength and precision for tough jobs. Its 530 inch-pound torque motor ensures plenty of power to handle wood, metal, and masonry. You get a 2-speed transmission, 0 to 450 and 0 to 1,500 revolutions per minute, and 23 clutch settings for total control, whether you're drilling holes or driving screws. It's powered by a long-lasting 20-volt lithium-ion battery with smart temperature protection that prevents overheating and extends lifespan. The lightweight yet sturdy build and soft rubber handle make it comfortable for prolonged use. It also includes an LED light for dark areas and a keyless chuck for fast bit swaps. Overall, the JISM Cordless Drill combines precision, endurance, and versatility, making it a top pick for users who need strong and steady performance on demanding projects. Next, we have the LYUWO Cordless Drill. The LYUWO Cordless Drill is designed for users who need both strength and comfort. It features a 550-watt high-performance motor that delivers 42 Nm of torque, perfect for drilling into wood, steel, or even concrete. The 2-speed variable trigger allows for smooth power adjustments depending on the task at hand. This model includes two 21-volt lithium-ion batteries that provide extended operation time and fast recharging. The cooling system prevents overheating during long sessions. Its ergonomic, anti-slip grip reduces vibration and enhances control. Plus, the included accessory kit ensures you're ready for any project right out of the box. With features like LED lighting and a forward/reverse switch, the LYUWO makes drilling simpler and more efficient. Overall, it's a well-rounded drill that blends torque, battery life, and comfort into one dependable package. The last one on our list is the DeWalt DCD796. The DeWalt DCD796 cordless drill is a powerhouse built for professionals. It uses a brushless motor that delivers 460 unit-watts out, UWO, offering longer runtime and excellent efficiency. The 2-speed metal transmission, 0 to 550 and 0 to 2,000 revolutions per minute, ensures the right balance of speed and power for every job. A 15-position adjustable clutch allows for perfect torque control, while the XR lithium-ion battery system maximizes runtime and charging efficiency. The compact, durable design fits easily into tight spaces and stands up to tough job site conditions. For better visibility, DeWalt includes a 3-mode LED light with a spotlight function that stays on even after the trigger is released. Despite its impressive power, it's balanced, lightweight, and comfortable to handle. Overall, the DeWalt DCD796 is a professional-grade cordless drill that combines strength, efficiency, and long-lasting durability. An excellent investment for serious workers. So that wraps up our roundup of the best cordless drills available right now. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides just like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep building smarter.